Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Pawfume Premium Grooming Spray Dog Deodorizer. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars. Over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon, and it's an Amazon #1 bestseller. This luxurious grooming spray is crafted to neutralize unwanted odors, leaving your dog smelling irresistible between baths. Formulated with long-lasting fragrance and enriched with nourishing ingredients, Pawfume not only refreshes but also conditions your pet's coat, making it silky smooth. Perfect for all pups of all breeds, this premium deodorizer is your go-to for keeping your dog fresh, clean, and cuddle-ready without the hassle of constant bathing. Because every dog deserves to smell as good as they look. To use, shake the bottle to ensure the formula is evenly mixed. Hold the spray bottle about 6 to 8 inches away from your dog and lightly mist their coat. Avoid spraying directly into their faces or eyes. Gently brush or rub the product into their fur for even distribution. This helps the spray work its magic while conditioning their coat. For best results, use Pawfume after grooming or anytime your dog needs a quick refresh. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.